Welcome back to another EuqinaD video. I am going to touch up our new growth and put in new extension, cause these are growing out. I go snip snip on the floor, they are over now. Then I look at the amount of new growth, mixes up the bleach and you spin, stir. Then I add the formula, all the plagues for the wind, put it on her new growth, and then I let it process. Look at the new weave, need to tone. Now that the hair is done processing, I'm gonna rinse it out. Now I look at the extra weave and all the plates. It is so nice, look at her hair. Oh, now I'm going to mix up her toner. Well, I T18 and T fix it, 50, mix it up, mix it up. Then I put it on her hair. Then now I am applying it everywhere so that it gets everywhere. Now it is everywhere in purple. Oh, now time to tone. Now I am toning the extension water. I put the extensions into tone. Then I make sure they are fully covered. They're fully covered. Now I'm rinsing out her hair really fast. And now I am done. Detangle the hair with my EuqinaD medium powder brush. Cut her ends cause they are very thin, damaged. And snip. When am I going to be done snipping? I am done. Look how beautiful the hair came out. 2 different tones looking so good. And I am going to prep her hair with microlinks. Look at the extensions underneath the dryer drying. I put in the rows of extensions in her hair. Oh, so long and pretty. EuqinaD paddle brush for the weave and detangle the hair cause it feels so nice. Now I'm going to trim the dead hair and trim it nice and full. She put her tongue out, I told her to put it back in. Now look at the hair, I'm not going to style, I'm gonna braid. Look at those braids, they look so beautiful. Beautiful girl with nice blonde hair, reminds me of Khaleesi. Oh, microlinks are nowhere to be seen. That looks so nice and versatile, I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. Sorry.